Hallo alle miteinander. Hello everybody. Today's video is all about introducing yourself, and I am going to show you how to introduce yourself in the formal way and the informal way. And the way I'm doing it is that I also give you gaps on that to repeat after me. So I'm speaking in German, explain a little bit in English, and the slides that I'm actually sharing with you are bilingual. So you can really learn the German, but you also have underneath what it means in English. So it's really great to follow and really good fun. So viel Spaß, also viel Spaß. A great way of practicing or getting the most out of this exercise or this video is actually to repeat after me, because I'm going to give you a couple of little gaps there. So first of all, how to introduce yourself. Der Gruß. Guten Tag. Es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. Es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. Now the Sie here is the formal way. We had that in, I think, tip number 2 it was, where we talked about the Sie and the Du, the formal and the informal questions and answers. So if you just want to repeat after me, Guten Tag, es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. And now if we say the informal way, Guten Tag, es freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. Of course, I could also say hello. There are obviously variations here that you can use. So you can say hallo, es freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. And then shorter forms are freut mich auch, freut mich auch, or simply freut mich, freut mich. Sehr angenehm. Sehr angenehm. Literally angenehm is actually pleased or pleasant. So sehr angenehm, very pleasant, very pleased. We also use it for angenehmes Wochenende, pleasant weekend in a way. But Germans do shorten these forms quite a bit. So freut mich auch, freut mich, sehr angenehm are very common, rather than saying es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen, es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. So it's quite nice to be able to say just freut mich auch, especially if you're greeting more people. And then it's quite nice to be able to vary it. Now, in a whole sentence, it would be, so die Vorstellung, Guten Tag, mein Name ist Claudia Dixon. Es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. If you just want to repeat after me, Guten Tag, and put your own name into this. So just change my name to your name. And say it aloud. It's really good to say it aloud. It's a brilliant practice of to introduce yourself, pronunciation, but also to practice introducing yourself. Guten Tag, mein Name ist Claudia Dixon. Es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. And another form would be, Guten Tag, ich heiße Claudia. Freut mich. Guten Tag, ich heiße Claudia. Freut mich. Now let's try it in a dialogue. Das Gespräch. I will just read the German, but I'll leave you some gaps to repeat it. And again, just put your own name into the gaps. I mean, instead of the name, my name. All right, let's start then. Guten Tag, mein Name ist Dixon. Guten Tag, Frau Dixon. Es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. Ich bin Herr Meier. Guten Tag, Herr Meier. Sehr angenehm. Did you manage to repeat those? Because it would be a really great practice. Let's just do it one more time. Guten Tag. Mein Name ist Dixon. Guten Tag, Frau Dixon. Es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. Ich bin Herr Meier. Guten Tag, Herr Meier. Sehr angenehm. So, there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ich hoffe, es hat euch gefallen. And I hope you really practice repeating after me. And now it's really time you can watch this video again and again and again and just practice. And make sure you practice aloud. Don't speak quietly, speak loudly. And practice that way, because that's really the best way to practice. Also ich hoffe, es hat euch gefallen. I hope you enjoyed it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. There's loads more to come where this is coming from. And if you have any ideas that you would like me to, certain videos you'd like me to do and topics to address, please put that into the comments below. So anyway, have a great day. Bis dann. Tschüss.